the Sheraton Universal Hotel. What room is this, do you know?
1111.
No, I know that, but as in what?
Oh.
As you come on left, you get your wardrobes, ironing board and safe in there, some drawers on the bottom. Big mirror on the right as you walk in. Got a coffee machine here with some Starbucks pods, some tea, some milk. And you've got complimentary waters, ice bucket, fridge down there, nothing in the fridge. Into the bathroom, toilet, sink. Some nice toiletries there. Nice and bright, nice Hollywood picture. Shower looks good. All toiletries in there as well. And then through to the main room. Got a sofa there, pull-out sofa bed. I'm not sure if they have these in all the rooms, but this one has. King-size bed, decent-sized table, officey style chair. There's all our cases. Nice big telly. Information stuff, instructions for the sofa bed, luggage storage there. And we've got a view of the pool in our room. So there's the pool down there. No one in it at the moment. And then there's the hills. And this is like a 2-minute walk from Universal. Cheese.
Click the playlist on screen to watch our travel vlogs.